I think giving is what one does for the sake of beauty, love, justice, with only the good of the other in mind.
Giving for me is not always about giving in kind or something materialistic. It could be about giving your time to someone or showing them empathy.
For me, giving, true giving, is connected to generosity. And generosity, I feel, is about believing that there is enough for everyone.
I think giving and generosity means helping people who need help, even little furry ones like Matilda or big ones like us.
Giving to me means showing care for others.
Giving is when your intentions are honest and your actions are kind.
So giving for me is sharing what you have with others. It could be material, non-material, but it's important to share so that other people can have access to some things that you have. It's sharing happiness and enabling people to achieve things that they perhaps couldn't without what you have to share. I think giving is a beautiful phenomena, and I think it's a very important part of being human.